Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just want to show you this really cool ultra-wide curved monitor that I just got. It's made by Innocn, and the monitor has an amazing 49-inch dimension. Let's unbox it so I can show you what's included with the package. It came in this super big box, and it weighs about 35 pounds with all the packaging. This is one of the biggest 5K monitors that you can get. It also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is great for gaming, video editing, graphics, and word processing. I'll be honest, it took me a while to get it out of the box because there was a lot of styrofoam in it. I cut the bottom of the box so that I can slide the monitor out more easily. The screen does have a 32:9 ratio. It also has a resolution of 5120 by 1440p. It also has built-in speakers. They're fine if you're in a crunch, but you may want to get some external speakers. The monitor does not have any remote, but all the functions are very easy to navigate with the on-screen menu. There's even some advanced settings so that you can custom set the monitor to your needs. It also uses premium VA panels so that your colors are vibrant and bright. And with the fast 120 Hz, it captures game details more clearly. Also included are these monitor calibration sheets. The user manual was well written and very easy to understand. There's also a QR code that will link you back to the manufacturer's website. Make sure to register your product for warranty. Because this is a professional level monitor, there's also settings for high dynamic range with professional color gamut. You don't have to worry about dark spots because it has a 3000:1 contrast. The main reasons why I got this monitor was the size and the color attributes that the monitor has. You can mount the monitor in 3 different ways. You can use the provided table stand or mount it onto the wall, or if you have a curved monitor arm. The included table stand is heavy duty and has a professional look to it, including these red metallic trims. But the best part of it is that it's very easy to assemble. Just insert the base into the metal shaft and then tighten it with the 3 included screws. The monitor also comes with a Phillips screwdriver for you to use. The stand has an innovative design that doesn't take too much space on your table. It's also made of a metal alloy, so you don't have to worry about the monitoring toppling over. Another neat feature that this monitor has is that it offers picture-in-picture. You can use 2 different video sources and display on the screen at the same time. Once the monitor stand is assembled, the next step is to attach it to the monitor. It uses a snap design, so you don't have to use any screws or additional hardware. Just remove the protective packaging, then insert the monitor into the circular groove. When it's locked in place, you're going to hear a snap sound. This is also a high quality stand, and you're able to move the monitor up and down, as well as to the right and left. To connect your video source, you can either use HDMI, DisplayPort, or by USB-C. All the input ports are hidden behind this panel. When you're moving or transporting the monitor, always use 2 hands because it's pretty heavy. And you don't really want to carry it by the sides, otherwise you may damage the monitor. I do a lot of video editing as well as graphic design. With this monitor, I can have both screens open at the same time, and the color calibration is spot on. This is how the back of the monitor looks like. It has a matte black finish, so you don't have to worry about fingerprints. As I mentioned earlier, the monitor is fully adjustable. You can tilt it up and down, as well as right and left. The monitor has a brightness of 400 nits, as well as a viewing area of 178 degrees. This is a great professional level ultra-wide 49-inch monitor that's great for gaming as well as general use. It's also very easy to unbox and set up.